Hi Len, what I'm going to do now is talk to you about editing the photos that we discussed and went through earlier. So first thing we need to do is we need to go to the online photo editing website, which is pixlr.com. That's pixlr.com. So if we go there, you'll actually have the option of, if you scroll down the screen, you'll actually see the Pixlr editor and launch web app. So we'll select that and we're going to open an image from your computer. So we select that. I'll just go to my pictures in here and we'll open up a picture that I previously saved from your website. So once you select the image, we've got it here. Now, what we were talking about was standardizing on the sizes. So the first thing we need to do is you need to go to image size, and we were going to standardize the width to 400. So if we select 400 and make sure your constraint properties or proportions are maintained. So we select OK. Then you can go to make it bigger so you can view it. This doesn't change the size of the image, it only makes it bigger on the screen. So we zoom in and we can zoom in again. Probably a little bit too big, so we can crop it. Now, we've got it 400 wide. If, for example, we wanted to make this actually longer, so we have a length of 500, say, for example, we can go to image and you can go to canvas size. We select the center, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it actually the height 500 just for an example. So we can do that, and you can see that suddenly now I'm going to view out this time. View out again. So you can actually see what's happened here, that it's put a white border top and bottom. So now our actual image is, if we look at the cropping size, our actual image now, I've obviously haven't got the full image in the window, but it's 400 wide. That's saying 460. Let me view out and say no to that. So I'm going to go view, zoom out again. So let's grab the whole image, and you'll actually see now that that image is now 400 by 500. So the first thing we did was change the size of the image itself to 400 wide and then make it 500. So there's quite a lot you can do with this package. The last thing we obviously need to do, if we want to crop something, so I need to select a cropping tool over here, which is the square block with the dotted lines. We'll go back down and we'll just grab that image itself. So now that's all inside the box that we want to crop. You go to image and you go to crop. Right, so we're back to the image. Now what we can, and if we wanted to crop a portion of it just to show the actual case with all your fabrics in it, we can actually do that too. And last thing we need to do is go File, Save. You give the photo a particular name. Make sure the quality is at 100%. And we still have a reasonable size, small size file, but we can work on that and play with that later. Maybe making the quality of the image, we can reduce that down to, let's say we take it to 90%. You can actually see the difference is quite considerable. So that's really, when you save it, have a look at the file, see if it meets it. But the big thing is, the smaller this file size is, the better for loading the website. So the smaller we can make these, all the better. Just try and reduce the size of the file itself, and then you can reduce the quality. And in some cases, this may not be very obvious to the eye, but it will make a difference in the file size and the loading speed. So just remember to rename the file to something specific so you know what it's called and what it refers to. And then when you click OK, you'll be asked where you want to save it. And we've already set those folders up so you can save it anywhere you like. Okay, hopefully that's a good introduction. I won't say that, we'll just go cancel, and I'm going to go back to your website, and there we go. So that's it. Good luck with loading the photos. Let me know if there's anything else I could do, and look forward to hearing your success. Take care.